How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use the teleport trigger in Geometry Dash. So let's say that you have this level right here, but of course you could just apply this to any part of your level. This is only an example. The first thing that I'm going to do is to simply go ahead and place my trigger into this specific part of the area, and then I want to teleport my character through this second part of my stage, which is basically the upper part. Now from there you could just place any block will work. In my case, I'm going to be placing this block right here, and you could just click on the edit group, and then you want to group this in an unknown group. So you just want to make this simply unique, used for the teleportation trigger. So let's select 10, and then you want to click on extra and just make sure to maybe do something like hide right here and click on no touch, so this block will simply be hidden. This will just be used as a trigger teleportation path. So from there, let's now navigate back to our trigger options. But before we do that, let me just go ahead and group this to one. And now let's select the teleport, click on edit object, and then you want to target your group ID. In our case, it's going to be 10. And then you could enable different options, like maybe you want to modify the gravity, like normal, flipped, toggle, and the rotate force right here. But I'm fine with this one. And let's also enable the touch trigger. Let's click on the play button, and then if we simply touch the teleport button right there, our character will then be teleported. Now let's go ahead and delete this specific part of the area. Then let's simply play the level once again, because we didn't actually see what happened. And as you can see, now it works perfectly. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.